Hi, Teresa from Angelisa here. Today we are going to make this adorable two-tone tote bag. Two-tone means the fabric is made of two colors or patterns. So the pieces aren't that big, perfect if you want to use your leftover fabrics. This tote is simple, practical, and beginner friendly. So if you're new to sewing, this is a great project to start with. For the main fabric, use a heavyweight fabric like canvas, so your tote will hold its shape nicely. For the lining, use a lighter fabric such as cotton or nylon. We'll need two top main pieces, one bottom main piece, one lining piece, and two handles. I'm using ready-to-use webbing straps today. They're strong and save a lot of time. But if you want to make your own handles, I have a previous video showing how to do that by folding, pressing, and top stitching the fabric straps. You can check it out later. Once all your materials are ready, let's move on to the next step, assembling the main fabric pieces. Before we start, I want to mention that I'm using a directional fabric for the top part. That means the print has an upright direction, like this cat print. To make sure your cats are not upside down later, place the top main fabric so that the cat's feet are facing down toward bottom main piece. Place the main fabrics right sides together and sew them along the edge. After sewing, open up the fabric and lay it flat. You can press the seam to make it neat before top stitching along the bottom main fabric. Top stitching adds a nice finish and helps keep the seam flat. It's best to use matching thread, so the stitches blend beautifully. Once your main fabric is done, we can move on to the next step. Now let's attach the handles. Mark about 4.5 inches from both side edges. That's where your handles will go. As I said earlier, using webbing straps is great if you want a quick finish. Place the handle ends exactly on the marks, making sure the handles are not twisted. Use fabric clips to hold them in place. Then sew them down securely. At this stage, I'm also adding my own label to the front. It's a lovely touch that makes the bag feel more personal. If you are planning to give this as a Christmas gift, a handmade tote with your label makes it even more special. Alright, once the handles are attached, let's sew the tote together. With your main fabric right side facing up, place your lining fabric right side facing down. Clip them together, then sew along the top edge. Now fold the fabric so the main pieces and the lining pieces are right sides together. It's a good idea to press the seam open here. This will make the top edge flatter and much easier to top stitch later in the final step. Align the seams carefully and clip them in place. Next, let's create the box corners. Draw a rectangle about 1.6 by 2 inches on each corner of both the lining and main fabric. Cut out those corners carefully. If you like adding details, you can also sew a small label inside the tote. Some people think using two labels is unnecessary, but I like to think of it as a way to show proudly that this is handmade, something every crafter understands. We are going to sew along the sides, but leave a small opening at the lining. That's where we'll turn the tote later. Now, open each corner to form the box shape. Then sew across all 4 corners. Once you're done, turn the bag right side out through the opening in the lining. If the opening is large enough, it will be easier to turn. Close the opening. You can either top stitch it by machine for a simple finish or use invisible stitch for a cleaner look. Tuck the lining neatly inside the tote. Clip the top edge and top stitch all around. This will give your tote a nice polished finish. I hope you enjoyed this tote as much as I did. If you find this tutorial helpful, please support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to Anjurisa. And that's it. Our two-tone tote bag is finished. Thanks so much for watching and happy crafting!